Cooking with Dawn Dandelion Greens recipe. Hey, TikTok fam! Today we're diving into a unique recipe using dandelion greens, a super nutritious and flavorful dish you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Wash 1 pound of dandelion young leaves thoroughly in salted water. Remove them from the root. Chop the leaves into 2-inch pieces. Now let's cook them. Boil in salt water for 8 to 10 minutes until tender. While the greens are cooking, let's prepare the flavor bomb. In a pan, sauté half cup of chopped onion, 1 minced garlic clove, and 1 crushed dried hot chili pepper, seeds removed, in 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Once the greens are ready, drain them and add them to the pan with our flavorful mix. Toss the greens into the pan. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then finish it off with a generous sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Mix it all together, and there you have it, a delicious dandelion greens dish that serves 4. Perfect for a nutritious meal. Bonus tip, don't toss those dandelion roots. Let's make a soothing root tea. Wash and chop the roots into small pieces. Roast them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. Once roasted, place the roots in a tea infuser and steep in hot water for 20 minutes. For an earthy twist, add a broken cinnamon stick. Enjoy your homemade dandelion root tea. Store any leftover roasted mix in an airtight container for later use. That's it, folks. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and tag me if you recreate it. Happy cooking!